In this video, I'm going to show you how to change computer password. So the first thing you want to do is once you're inside Windows 11, you want to go down here under the Start or the Search menu and type in Settings. Okay, and once you type that in, you want to open up Settings and you want to click Accounts here on the left and you'll see the screen I'm at right now. What you then want to do is scroll down here to where it says Sign In Options. You want to click on this. And then you want to go down here to where it says password. Click on it again so it extends. And then you want to click change over here. And once you click it, you first have to put in your current password of your computer. And then you want to press next. Then you want to type in your new password. Let's say I want to have it like this. And then you have to confirm your password. There we go. And then you want to give a password hint. So let's say you want to type in something like my dog's name or something like this, and then you want to press next and then finish, and your computer password has successfully been changed.